In this video, I'm going to finish dimensioning the Drafting C model here. The one thing that is easier if we haven't done it yet is making sure we have our view toolbars in our large tool set selected. Now, if you have it, you'll see that we have the dimensioning tool over here on the left hand side. I'm going to go to that right away. Now, the different parts that I need here are my radiuses for my 3 circles that I have going right here, my radiuses for my top 2 circles that I have right here, and then my distance off of center, and then my distance off of center going up. Now, starting off, I'm going to go from our point up to our point, slide it over. That's my 1/16. Do the same thing, just the opposite way for the center here. Up and down. There's my 1 3/8. The next thing I'm going to do is go to my circles, click, slide over. Remember, it's going to read diameter first. I right click, I go to type and go to my radius. There's my radius that way. All right. My other radius, make sure you just click on your selection portion right there. And then down here, my outside radius, inside radius, diameter. So I'm going to go over here, type again, and go radius, and then one more right here, radius, type, radius. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing here is that my piece is not the same right here as my other one, so it should be, I think, 7/16. So we have 1/4, we have 7/16, we have 11/16. Hey, Chase, quick question. Second circle there is it's a 7/16. Sorry, it goes 1/4 of an inch, 7/16, and then 11/16. Am I right on your model? The circle C, or Drafting C. So look right here, my model. So this small one's 1/4. And then my next one's 7/16, right? Okay, and 11/16. I have one that's wrong. Thank you. Now I'm just gonna check my other side here to see if that's the same thing going on. I might have made a mistake. Diameter 7. That's gonna be right. So I made a mistake creating my other circle over there, but it's within a 16th or 30 seconds. So I'm not worried about it. Because if it was 14 30 seconds, that'd be 7. 16ths. So it's 1 32nd small. Now, edit my text if I need to, but I don't need that there. I'm actually going to edit undo. But that's all I have to do for dimensioning. I'm just going to file save, just make sure I have my piece saved that way. And now I am ready to move my file into layout. Remember, that's downloading the Circle C layout template from Schoology. Thank you for watching.